man, my channel from East Carolina. I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a dog. Every dog had his day, man. Big shout out to my man Jay and all of that. You know I'm not a dog. Gucci. So Ice Entertainment. So Ice, baby. Gucci. Yeah. Yo, great, baby. Yo, it's a Down and Dirty edition. The president linked up, man. With the Down and Dirty edition. Bobby Black. I'm a dog, 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 I'm a dog. I'ma treat her like a dog, feed her like a dog, beat her like a dog. She ain't gossip to my dogs. I'm a dog, 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 I'm a dog. Treat her like a dog, feed her like a dog, beat her like a dog. She ain't gossip to my dogs. I'm a dog, very dumb. My girlfriend.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Let me pause that. That's the great Gucci Mane. I'm a dog. And I started to get on here and rant about something, but then my little precious Bonnie jumped up here. She wanted attention. So I was vibing to the song recently, used it to work out this morning. I thought, what a great way to rant about having a dog. Of course, she's deciding she wants to rant right now. That's part of having a dog. You see, she's a faux show gangbanger. She don't play no games. Anybody could get it. Anybody. Anywhere. Anytime. Who is it, Bean? Who is it out there? Tell them what happened. Okay, everything cool. Everything cool. You know, people don't run up in people's houses out here. You get blown back out the door. Alright, but never mind all that tough talk. Yeah, having a dog is great, man. You know, anybody going through any type of depression or anxiety or loneliness or any type of, issues, having a dog is great. If you're a cat person, it's great. A bird, any animal really that brings you a certain amount of love and vibrant spirit to your life is fruitful to have, man. So, if you feel in a certain kind of way, man, and you can afford it and you have the time and you have the patience to deal with a dog, I absolutely recommend one, man. They are individuals, I'll just say. I don't want to call them people, but they are, she is somebody. Who she could be. Who knows? Maybe she my grandmother, auntie, somebody down the line, somebody who came down here in a dog body to look after me. But that's what she does. All right, but yeah. What's a pet rant turned into? I didn't expect it to be this, but it is what it is. Of course, don't be cruel to no dogs. If you can't take care of a dog, take it to a animal shelter or something like that, or try to give it away to somebody that take care of it. Yeah. Not much to say on that. On that note, she kind of jumped in and interfered with my video. I can't even muster my rant energy up. So I'm going to have to catch y'all on another rant. Peace.